Hey all, if you want to do no spin on this Samsung Ecobubble with this kind of control over here on the right, so the WW models, let's turn this on. Power button. Now choose your cycle. Obviously drain spin isn't going to be what I want. Let's say just go cottons. Now you can see here you've got the symbol for the spin, so that is your detergent going in. That's a rinse or soak. And yeah, down here, the nice thing about this machine is almost everything is got labeled, and over here is your spin. So if I come down to the spin button, and it's on 1400 already, if you notice I press it once, it's gone. But whatever it's on, just toggle it through and keep watching over here, it's gone. So as long as the spin icon is and the symbol isn't showing over there, you're good. No spin is set. And it might come through only up to 1000 depending on the cycle. For instance, maybe wool, it might only go up to 800 spin and then go off. So just be careful with that, but that should do it for you. Alright, so check out more videos I got on the channel here for this machine and how to use it, and also the links down below. Like and subscribe. See you soon. Thanks for watching.